Sergeant, let's start with what drivers can do.
So what we can do is operate and use these phones hands-free modes only. And hands-free means that not in your lap, in the cup holder. Hands-free means securely attached to your vehicle by one of these type of mounts, as we all have seen. It means to activate and deactivate. This is the key. Hands-free features. You're not answering phone calls and things like that to put it onto the speaker. It's to utilize the technology in the car. GPS is another piece as well. Great device, everybody has one. And so, but as long, again, if it's attached to the windscreen or the vehicle and you've plotted your course before you've set out to drive, no switching course midway. Red lights, that's another challenge that we have. You get to a red light or stopped in traffic, does not allow you to pick up your phone or use these devices. Because we see what happens is that all of a sudden things change, traffic goes, you're not paying attention, somebody walks out in front of you or that you weren't expecting. You need your wits about you on the road. Eyes on the road, hands on the wheel, and mind on the task of driving are the key messages around the distracted driving campaign. Zero tolerance is what we're aiming for.
So when it comes to your phone, you can tap it if it's mounted to turn it off and on. You can't play it. You can't fast forward to hit a song. With your GPS, you can use it, but it has to be pre-programmed before you get on the road. You can't mess around with it while you're driving.
Absolutely right. Too much misinformation. Do some research if you still don't get it. Ministry of Transportation, our partners at CAA, all those folks are great resources. You've got to self-educate.
And when it comes to eating or sipping your coffee, drinking your coffee?
Yeah, still distractions of themselves, but not part of the hands-free legislation that we're talking about. Yes, you're allowed to have a coffee, but if that is a contributing factor to a crash, it can be a careless act, and the officers will make a decision accordingly.
So you can eat and drink behind the wheel still, just within reason.
As long as it doesn't become a distraction. Thanks, Carl. That's perfect.